what the project with ScotRail was the hydrogen-powered train, and the train has they have an electrolyzer that sits beside the track that runs, and it produces hydrogen in some big tanks beside the tracks. They then park the train beside it. They connect it up with a actually very small hose, and they fill the tanks on the train with hydrogen, and then that hydrogen is just used to produce electricity, which then runs the motor. So it's an electric train, but instead of getting the electricity from overhead wires or from diesel like the trains we're used to, it uses the electricity from hydrogen in the fuel cells.
Here we see a fuel cell and electrolyzer test rig. The gas is passed through the gas control devices, and one stream goes up and bubbles through the water. Here we can see the exponential amount of effort going into producing renewable energy.
It's a big transition, and I think the thing that catches all of us is just the sheer scale of it. So in this area, we were in the centre of oil and gas, and we made oil jackets, production facilities, some of them weighing as much as 40,000 tonnes. But for a big project like that, we might only make one of them. You've really got to do a lot of things very quickly. That's a new learning curve for all of us.